Today we're making a DIY Mickey Mouse plushie emoji style. In the description box below, I'll list out all the materials needed for this project. So first, take some soft black fabric and put the soft sides together on the inside. Next, draw a circle with an 8-inch diameter. Sew around the circle and make sure to leave a tiny gap so we can flip the plushie inside out. So using the gap, I flipped my plushie base inside out, and now I'm going to stuff it in and use my hands to shape the body. So now I'm done stuffing my base plushie, and now I'm going to take a needle and thread and sew the gap shut. Notice I'm using a white thread. This is only to see my stitch patterns easier on camera. When you're making your Mickey Mouse plushie, please make sure to use a thread that matches your fabric, so seeing the stitch marks will be less obvious. So now I made two smaller 2.5-inch diameter circles for the ears. Since this is a voiceover, I now realize that I might want to make the ears bigger in the future. This is a tip, so maybe you might want to make your ears 4-inch diameter, or 4.5 or 3.5, because Mickey Mouse generally has big ears. So we're doing the same process we did for the base of the emoji plush. So I made gaps because I want to flip them out as well. So now I'm going to stuff the ears and sew them shut, and then I'm going to attach them to the body. While sewing the ears shut, at the same time I'm going to attach them to the body with the same needle and thread at the same time. So next, take some red felt and cut it out to look like a semicircle. These will be the pants for Mickey Mouse. And use some red thread and sew the felt onto the body. I've only sewn the curved part because I want to make a little pocket. Next, take some beige-white felt to make a little face. I'm only sewing the bottom part, not the top part, because I want to make a little pocket. Next, take some yellow felt, glue it, and then use some toy safety eyes. I hammered the backs off, and then I hot glued them on, and then now I'm taking some brown felt, and I cut it out to look like a little nose. So here's my finished plushie. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment down, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!